What's up, you guys? So today we're gonna see a Jazzy Neo-Soul chord progression, one of those really classic chord progressions of jazz music. You can find them on the real book literally everywhere, but we're gonna add a few nuances and flavors typical of R&B. Now, to keep things as simple as possible, this chord progression is in the key of C major and A minor, which is the relative minor, and it starts with a 2-5-1. Now, a 2-5-1 would be D minor 7, G7, C major 7, but because we want to make it a little neo-soul, we're gonna be playing a D minor 9, okay? Now, in this first D minor 9, you pluck all of the strings together, thumb, index, middle, and ring. You stretch your little finger here to the minor third. Then you get your G7. On the G7th, again, you pluck all of the strings, 6th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. You also play the G on the first string separately, like that, before hitting the C major 7. Now, on the C major 7, we do a hammer-on the B string, okay, like that, okay? And then we play separately the first string, the note G again on the first string, and you get to the 4 next, okay? So the 4 is the F major 7, which you just pluck like this. So it's a 2, okay, 5, 1, 4. And the way we continue is thinking of the second part of this chord progression as in the relative minor key, which is A minor. And in order to get this A minor 7, we're going to be doing a 2-5-1 minor in A minor. The 2 would be the B half diminished, which you pluck as always, and then you repeat one note on the B string. The 5 would be an E7 and then A minor 7. Now this 2-5-1 minor in A minor could also be seen as a 7 half diminished, then 3 dominant 7 as a secondary dominant, and 6 minor 7. That's up to you if you want to keep all things in a major key in C major. If instead you like to see the second part as A minor, that becomes a 2 half diminished, 5-7 dominant, 1 minor 7. Okay. However you want to do it, when you reach the A minor 7, I like to play first, 3 strings only, like a shell voicing, then pluck, play arpeggios, mess around with it, and then finish on this embellishment, very neo-soul embellishment really, which is just the bottom part of an A minor 7 extended to the 9th using the note B here. Okay, this could also be seen as an inversion of a C major 7, a C major 7 over G. So it could connect you back to the key of C major. Up to you. Let's see the two parts slowly first. That's the 2-5-1-4 in C major. That's what we do on the D minor 9. That's the G7, C major 7, F major 7. Second part. B half diminished, E7, chromatism to reach the A minor 7, shell voicing, and then neo-soul embellishment, like that. Let's listen to it slowly all together. Okay guys, so all of the chord diagrams are on screen as you can see, and same for the harmonic analysis. But if you want to see note by note what I'm playing, you can find the tab and the music notation for this chord progression on my Patreon page, and you can download it to follow along to this video. Okay, now let's play one last time the whole chord progression. From here you can start adding your own sounds and add your creativity and maybe sample it, maybe use it as a loop, practice the improvisation, or create your own beats. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about this chord progression or anything really. Alright, thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video.